Are you prepared to mark your calendars? We are rapidly approaching the day when Tesla is expected to soar to an electrifying market peak. But the journey is just as exciting as the destination. Come along with us as we shift gears through the realms of possibility and innovation, where every turn brings us one step closer to an unprecedented event in the electric vehicle industry. A force is creating a current that could overcome the obstacles of expectation, according to experts who predict that Tesla will hit $395 on this date. The story goes from the bustling core of Tesla gigafactories to the silent power of the supercharger network. You won't want to miss a second of this journey if you stick with us and learn when and how. But first, show your support by liking this video and subscribing to Tesla Stock News. Let's get started. Yeah, the modern sector is at a turning point in its history. Observes Tesla's calculated actions, including a revolutionary price cut. Significant change has occurred. The Tesla flagship Model 3, known for its combination of performance, efficiency, and technology, is now more affordable than the typical car in America, challenging the idea that electric vehicles are a luxury good. Kelley Blue Book claims that due in major part to growing consumer desire for SUVs and trucks, as well as technology developments, the average cost of a new car in America has been rising. The average surpassed $40,000, a benchmark that illustrates the shifting preferences and dynamics in the automotive industry. In the meantime, Tesla has been making a concerted effort to lower production costs through improved battery technology, economies of scale, and a more efficient manufacturing process. There have been options or versions of the Model 3 that were in fact selling at a starting price that could challenge the $40,000 mark, making it competitive with the average new car price. However, it's important to note that these prices are subject to change, and potential buyers should seek the most recent information to make an informed decision. Tesla has managed to significantly lower the price point of the Model 3. This effort is in line with Tesla's mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy by making EVs more financially attainable for mainstream buyers. The price of the Model 3 has significant ramifications because it makes EVs the primary option for new car buyers rather than an alternative. This change is probably going to have an industry-wide impact, forcing other automakers to follow suit and lower the price of their electric vehicles, which will promote a more sustainable and competitive automotive market. This change in the cost paradigm is more than just statistics. It's evidence of how the industry is evolving and how people are increasingly choosing electric vehicles over other options. Although the overall cost of ownership for electric vehicles has long been cheaper than that of their gasoline-powered equivalents, the upfront sticker price is what frequently influences consumer choices. E-vehicles have grown faster than conventional gas-powered cars, a trend that many predict will continue. We're looking beyond the short term to consider what this might mean for Tesla's valuation come November as it transitions to another industry titan. Ford has seen its share of ups and downs, and Tesla, a name that has come to be associated with pioneering electric mobility, beneficial regulatory reforms may act as a tailwind for Tesla's stock price as it moves near the projected $395 mark. Tesla's foray into the profitable pickup truck is represented by the Cybertruck. With its futuristic design and promised performance features, the Cybertruck has already attracted a big number of reservations in a market that has historically been dominated by ICE vehicles. The actual launch and subsequent production ramp-up could significantly boost Tesla's revenue and stock price. Investors are keeping a close eye on this area because the successful launch could be a game changer for Tesla's market capitalization. Industry experts from the investment community frequently have an optimistic outlook on businesses like Tesla and are confident in a company's ability to innovate and expand its market, the company's ability to not only adapt but also lead in the changing automotive landscape, supports positive investor sentiment and could raise the stock price. In light of these four categories, analysts predict that the launch of the Cybertruck, a new Model Y, and other Calculated actions might revitalize the brand and draw significant investment interest. A wider consensus among analysts that Tesla is at the forefront of a significant industrial transition is reflected in the company's projected valuation of $135 per share by November 28th. The whole ecosystem is more important than just the cars they make. Tesla is developing AI-driven autonomous technology in addition to energy generation and storage. Positive market conditions and Tesla's multifaceted strategy for innovation and growth pave the way for a potentially lucrative year-end for shareholders. Therefore, Tesla is not only developing, but also paving the way for the automotive revolution. The electric car has gained attention from the International Energy Agency. By the end of this year, about 1/5 of all cars sold are anticipated to be electric, upending the established auto industry and posing a threat to the oil sector's hegemony. The market is witnessing an unprecedented spike in sales. At the forefront of this revolution, Tesla is not only competing in the market, but also setting the standard for expansion and capturing consumers' attention globally. Although the company has already established a sizable market advantage with its cutting-edge technology, brand value, and customer loyalty, affordability is still a crucial component, and its attempts to lower car prices could further solidify its market position in the larger scheme of things. Changes to federal EV tax credits might also increase Tesla's sales and market share, thereby speeding up the company's growth trajectory as we approach November 28th. However, it's not just about the cars themselves. It's also about the bigger picture. A tale of optimism and promise is told by Tesla's stock, which is currently predicted to rise to $1,395 a share. How does Tesla maintain this momentum? The solution is found in a blend of unwavering innovation, brand strength, and strategic pricing. As Tesla stock approaches the final projected $395 per share valuation by November 28th, the network of superchargers is more than just a functional infrastructure to support the charging needs of electric vehicles. It is a hallmark of Tesla's vision for an integrated, customer-centric EV experience. The network's contribution to the company's overall appeal and customers' satisfaction, which in turn supports its market valuation, cannot be overstated. In order to facilitate long-distance travel, Tesla has deployed superchargers with careful design, making sure they are not only located in urban areas, but also thoughtfully dispersed over the landscape. The increasing availability of superchargers around the country, which allows Tesla to highlight one of its vehicle's key selling points, the ability to travel without experiencing the range anxiety that many prospective EV buyers experience. Superchargers are well known for their quick charging speeds, which enable drivers to refuel a significant amount of cars' range in roughly the same amount of time as it takes to stretch one's legs and have a cup of coffee. For busy consumers who are used to the rapid refueling intervals of gasoline-powered automobiles, this quick turnaround time is essential. Through the supercharger network, Tesla has created a feeling of exclusivity and community. Early Tesla vehicles that are eligible for free charging have found particular appeal in having access to these charging stations. This network has developed into a platform for Tesla drivers to interact and exchange stories and guidance, strengthening the company's community-centric strategy. The drivers utilize the company's app to find chargers, check availability, and even pay for charging if necessary. This smooth integration improves the user experience and makes owning a Tesla hassle-free. The supercharger network is connected with Tesla's technological ecosystem. The supercharger networks drive to use renewable energy by seeking to power more stations with solar and battery storage is an example of Tesla's dedication to sustainability. Tesla is making efforts to reduce its negative effects on the environment, a value offer that strikes a deep chord with its clientele as Tesla's stock price approaches the anticipated amount. The influence of the supercharger network is multifaceted. It serves as a direct source of revenue and a marketing tool, a concrete illustration of Tesla's edge over rival EV producers and a testament to the company's dedication to innovation and sustainability. The continuous development and improvement of this network is essential to bolstering Tesla's market position and valuation. Additionally, the Cybertruck is a manifesto of innovation, from its unorthodox design to its promised self-driving capabilities despite production challenges. The gigafactories in Texas and Berlin are not only production facilities, they are the backbone of Tesla's global strategy and the key to increasing production to satisfy the skyrocketing demand. Additionally, let's not forget that Tesla's determination has maintained its vision for the Cybertruck firmly on course. We just saw how Tesla will be in November, going from the competitively priced Model 3 that rocked the auto industry to the projected just $395 per share valuation. Ignore the impending expansion of Tesla's factory in Grunge, or the mysterious project Juniper, which is said to be an evolution of the model. These ventures are more than just plans. They are the very steps Tesla is taking towards an extraordinary 2024. Tesla has pursued a path of strategic expansion and unrelenting innovation. Important chapters in this narrative include the supercharger network's wide reach and convenience, and the Cybertruck's impending launch, which is expected to revitalize the brand's image. What do you think the Cybertruck will do to Tesla's market share? Which of Tesla's innovations most excites you about the future of EVs? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tesla Stock News for regular updates on everything Tesla. These factors, along with Tesla's ability to navigate federal EV tax credits and outpace legacy automakers, highlight why Tesla is not just driving change in the automotive industry, but accelerating it. We appreciate your participation today and hope to see you in our upcoming videos.